So this is really good to be here. Thanks so much for attending. There's always a really good audience at these Embedded Vision Summit talks. And this morning, I was giving a very, very high-level view of where I think we're going. What I'm going to be doing in this session is actually trying to talk about some of the nuts and bolts of how you can actually use TensorFlow now to do machine learning on really low power devices. And the first thing that I'm actually going to do is give a quick demo. And what I'm going to do is, this is a SparkFun Edge board, which is a small Ambic Cortex-M4 CPU that is using roughly on the order of about a milliwatt of power. And it's continuously running a speech wake word demo application that we have open sourced. And luckily for this demo, you can't actually see the LEDs because they're too small. But you'll have to take my word for it. When I shout yes, it actually lights up some of the LEDs because it's recognized the word that I'm saying. I'm actually going to pass this around the room. Hopefully, not too many of you will need to shout yes, though that always helps my affirmation as I'm going through the talk, having just so you can actually have a play with it yourself. And I really wanted to start off with that demo just to show you that this is not just some sort of head in the clouds fantasy. There's real practical coding and real practical applications that you can start building with TensorFlow Lite for microcontrollers right now.